It's the holiday season, so let's get festive with this cute hairstyle using our Paul Mitchell holiday gift kit. I'm going to use our Awapuhi Wild Ginger style kit. This styling kit comes with our Hydro Cream Whip and our Anti-Frizz hairspray. And this would make a great gift for someone who loves to create mini styles, especially for the holiday season. Okay, so let's have some fun with this cute ponytail, perfect for the holiday season and parties. I'm gonna use our Paul Mitchell 427 paddle brush to remove any tangles with this ponytail. To flat iron my hair, I am going to use our Express Ion Smooth, and this is my favorite flat iron. It gets the job done in one pass. So I'm just going to make sure I run this flat iron through my ponytail to smooth out any bumps. And honestly, I could wear this out like this because this iron gives my hair so much sleekness, but we're going to turn it up a bit with our wave press, which is Allure Beauty 2022 winner, by the way. And I am going to spray some anti-frizz hairspray just to lock in those waves and sections. So I'm just going to press each section to get some effortless, beautiful waves. And I love this wave press because it takes no effort. You're waved up in no time. And we are all waved up in no time. It literally only took me a few minutes to complete this waved ponytail. And I am gonna spray a bit more of the anti-frizz hairspray, rake through the waves gently just to loosen up the waves a little bit more to get more of an effortless look. And I want to create a little more volume at the top of my ponytail, so I am gonna place some more hairspray at the base, which is the Awapuhi Anti-Frizz hairspray. And tease or fluff as desired for volume. Next, I am going to apply some Awapuhi Hydro Cream Whip, which is a mousse, and I am going to sleek my hair down in the front to make sure I get rid of any flyaways. To add some shine, I am going to use Awapuhi Shine Spray, and this is separate from the holiday kit, and it is available on paulmitchell.com if you want to get your shine on too. I just love adding a bit of shine just to finish off the entire look, and boom, you're ready for the holidays and your holiday party. Be sure to check out our website, paulmitchell.com, to check out more of our holiday kits available now.